I wish to greet our First Lady, our forever First Lady of our country, a very happy birthday. 11th anniversary of your 80th birthday, Ma'am. The people of Sarat wishes you more wisdom, better health to serve your people. You actually provided us the motivation to work harder in everything that we do, especially this time of this coronavirus pandemic. You motivated us to face the challenges of this pandemic so that we will all survive, especially in our province of Ilocos Norte. Again, in behalf of the people of Sarat, Ma'am, I wish you a more fruitful and more healthy celebration of your birthday this year.